Hey, hi everyone. Welcome to my channel. In this video, let's understand how to create a junction object. But before we go and create a junction object, first let's understand what it is. Junction object is used to create a many-to-many relationships between two objects. To create the one-to-many relationship field, we use master detail relationship or the lookup relationship, but to create the many to many relationships we don't have a direct field as such on a Salesforce platform. But to achieve this many to many relationship we can use a junction object. So what it is, this junction object? A object has a two master detailed relationship, then that object is called as a junction object. So like you can see on the screen, I have this student management application and I have two objects called student and the courses. Now I want to um, connect these two objects. Since both objects can have a multiple records related to each other, the student can have a student can enroll to a multiple courses, or the course can have a multiple students. So we need a many to many relationship in this case. To implement this, we will create a new custom object called enrollment. This enrollment object will act as a junction object between the student and the course object. So we have to create two master detail relationships on the new object called enrollment. First master detail is to connect the enrollment to the student object, and second master detail relationship is to connect the our new object enrollment to this course object. So let's go and create the object. For that, gear icon and then click on the setup. Click on object manager, click on this create button and then custom object. Click on this. Here you have to add the details of your object. My object name is enrollment. You can keep the description as it is also. If you want, you can add it also. Here, uh, whenever we create the new object, this record name is very important and it's mandatory to create it. So I want the same enrollment name only. I'm keeping this as it is. We have some features. If we want, this should be available in our new object, then you can make this available by clicking on this checkboxes. I'm adding all of this on my object. I'm allowing search also. Add notes and attachments I'm selecting, and launch new custom tab. Click save. So from here we can create our tab for this enrollment. Tab style, select anything that you want from this tab style. Click next after you've filled all the details. Here it's asking for the visibility of this tab or as per the profiles. I'm keeping these steps as it is default on for all the profiles. And after that, click on next button. Here it's asking on which app you want this new object visible. So I have one app called student management. So I will uncheck this and add only for my student management app. It's coming here. Let's select it and click save. So our object enrollment is created successfully. Let's just go to the previous tab and refresh this one. Here you will see our new tab is coming as enrollment. And sorry, I opened the wrong tab. Click on the enrollment. Click on the new. Here you will see for now we have only one field, enrollment. Let's go and create our two master detail object on this enrollment object. For that, click on the fields and relationships. Click new. Click on the master detail relationships. Click next. Sometimes it takes time to open it. Here we have to select the related to. So it's related to the student. So select student. Click next. Field name I am keeping here as it is, or you can change it to student name also if you want. Okay, after you add all of your details, select next. Okay, this is the field name, and for the field name we can't give here space. Remove that. You can add underscore here. Click on the next. Click next. Click next and save it. Or you can do save and new also. You have to create a many fields. I forgot to click on that. Let me click on the new again. Click on this master detail relationships. Click next. Now we are creating this master detail for the course object. Here we got this course. Click next. Here add the field name. Course name I'm adding. Click on the next. Course name. Click next. Click next. Click next and save. So our both fields are created successfully, student and this course. Let's refresh the page here. Empty cache and hard reload. Empty cache and hard reload. Let's do it. Let me close this window. Now let's see. Here you can see the master detail fields are coming, student name and the course name. Let's create one test record. I have one student record already, student 0001. Test course I have selected here. Click on the save, and yeah, our enrollment record is created. Here I have to tell you one more thing. In Junction Object, when we delete a parent record, then the child record gets deleted. In our case, the child record is this enrollment and parent is this student name and the course name. If if I show you, if I delete this student name, if I delete this student record STU0001, then this enrollment record will gets deleted automatically. Let me show you that. Let me open this student record in the new tab. Here you can see the student record gets deleted. Let me try to refresh this tab again. And yeah, here you can see it looks like there is a problem. It means that this record got deleted. Let me show you one more example, or we can also check the vice versa as well. Let me select any student record. I don't have any. Let me create one student. Test record. Gender. Other. Email. Test at example.com. Phone number. Something like this. Courses. I'm adding your Salesforce admin. Okay. Other details I will not going to add it. Click on the save. Next course. This time I am selecting this test 2 course. Enrollment name is like test enrollment. Now let's try to save this record. This time let me delete this test enrollment record, and you will see my student record and the course record won't be deleted. Delete this. Go back to this tab. All. Let me try to refresh this. And here you see I have selected this student. I have created this in front of you test record, and this record has not deleted. And one more, for the courses, I have selected this test 2 course, and this course has also not deleted. It means that in the junction object, if I delete parent record, then the child side, the junction object record gets deleted automatically. But if I delete the junction object, then the parent object record is won't delete. That's it. Thank you so much for watching the video till the end, and please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.